का चेस्ट वॉइस पे काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी लग रहा है कि पेट से नहीं गा रहे हैं, गले से गा रहे हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द कंटेंट है। तो थोड़ा सा वो अगर एक्सरसाइज उस हिसाब की कर जाए कि पेट से जो आवाज़ आनी चाहिए, फोर्स आना चाहिए, वो पेट से आना चाहिए, गला इज़ जस्ट अ मीडियम। तो इसका थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखा
थैंक यू। मैं भी इन लोगों को ज्ञान बांट दूं फ्री में। बस मैं भी जब स्टेज पे चढ़ता हूँ ना, मेरी भी हवा खराब होती है, और जब स्टेज पे मैं चढ़ जाता हूँ, माइक मेरे हाथ में होता है, तो मैं स्टेज का डॉन हो जाता हूँ। उसके बाद मेरा साउंड टीम या मेरी मैनेजमेंट टीम कुछ भी कहती रहे, फिर जो कहूँगा मैं ही कहूँगा। तो अब उसी तरीके से मैं आगे पूछता हूँ मेरे प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर अंकित से। अंकित, हाउ फार वी आर फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट राउंड रिजल्ट?
Another 5 minutes.
Okay, so by that time, Apa, can you come on stage and talk about this parade for a few minutes? What is going to happen? Okay, you can. I can give you mic here too.
So, ladies and gentlemen, at around about 5 o'clock, we want all the children to come to the children's arts and crafts area, and we want, because they will become a part of a parade that will take place at 5. So please, all the kids, by 5 o'clock, if you come here, you will be a part of a parade, and you will have flags, and you'll have celebration beads, which you will be able to give around. So be a part of fun and festivities of 20th anniversary of Mosaic Festival, and be a part of our grand parade that will start at 5 o'clock. The children are requested to come to Children's Arts and Craft booth, which is located on their right side if they are facing the stage. Thank you.
Thank you, Apa. I request all the 10 contestants on the stage, all the 11 contestants on the stage for a few minutes, so we can. All 11 contestants on the stage, please. Fast track की तरह बोलो बॉस। अंकित, once you are ready, just give me a cue, so I will. By the time I'll talk to these people. हम लोगों ने जजेस का व्यू लिया अपने इवेंट के बारे में, पब्लिक का व्यू लिया। ये जो कंटेस्टेंट पिछले 4 महीने से हमसे जुड़े हुए हैं, why not take their view also in one liner with their name and what they want to tell about this rising star, with their name and one liner. Oh, what number you are? Just like randomly. Okay, let's start it this way. Okay, number one liner and your name. एग्जाम में कभी पास नहीं हो सकते तुम। मैंने बोला हमारे इस इवेंट के बारे में अच्छा बुरा सब बताओ, लेकिन एक लाइन में।
This is one of the best events जो साउथ एशियंस के लिए मिसिसागा में फ्री इवेंट accessible to everybody जो हो सकता था, that Mosaic has made it happen.
पहला नहीं बोलने को बोला, एक लाइन बोला ना। इसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे, इसको भी
deserves a ticket.
Okay.
No, I think it's a great platform to promote South Asian music and local artists especially. So
That's good.
so मेरे लिए
अपना
बहुत
नाम भी बताते चलें एक बार।
मेरा नाम भाविक सोनी। मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, पहली बार ऐसे बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैंने परफॉर्म किया है, तो क्राउड भी बहुत अच्छा है, साउंड अच्छा है, आप अच्छे हो, जजेस अच्छे हैं, और
मेरी भी
कैसे
तारीफ हुई है। क्लैपिंग मेरे लिए भी क्लैपिंग हो सकती है।
मेरा नाम मनीष है, और आई थिंक ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 6 इयर्स के बाद मिली है इतने बड़े स्टेज पे, तो थैंक यू मोज़ैक, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। और
Yeah, my name is Kiran. I felt just amazing, and yeah, thank you Mosaic for this opportunity.
My name is Aditya, and I'm extremely grateful and happy to be here because I very firmly believe that this is one of the best turnouts in Ontario, and I'm really grateful to be here.
Hi, my name is Ashwin. Thank you so much for having me here, the entire Mosaic team and everybody. बाथरूम सिंगर तो हम सब हैं, पर इस म्यूजिक के साथ, इस ट्रैक और साउंड सिस्टम के साथ गाना, ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है। वी आर थैंकफुल, आपने हमें इतने बड़े मंच पे, इतने बड़े स्टेज पे इनवाइट किया।
मेहनत आप सबकी थी, हम सिर्फ जरिया हैं। You want to say something about this event? I know you don't talk Hindi, so that's why you can say whatever line. Even Singhli is okay. Say something in that.
So my name is Visendi. Actually, I'm very glad about this opportunity. So the opportunity is very huge for me. Thank you.
Chitra.
Hi, my name is Chitra. I think this is a wonderful opportunity for artists in general to build a lot of courage to perform on stage, and a great place to explore South Asian music.
Thank you, Chitra. Hi, everyone. My name is Jasprit Sanghera. I am from Kitchener, Ontario. I'm a singer-songwriter. And Mosaic is exactly the stage that I was looking for to promote myself as an independent artist. So thank you so much, Mosaic. I guess huge round of applause for Mosaic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Harshal Gala. We all are grateful to be here. This is a wonderful opportunity for all the artists. Congratulations to each and every one of you, and congratulations to the organizers as well for such a beautiful event. And thank you judges for taking the time for being here. Thank you.
Okay, you can understand. I'm just buying some time because the team is working and we are running short of time too. So one quick question I will ask. If you are a winner, I'll ask to anyone, think on that. We generally don't call a winner or not winner. We call a super performer. If you are having that title, super performer, with some cash money, what you want to do with that cash money? First question goes to Pandit.
Depends on the cash money.
Good point. So it's not lotto, it's not any other lottery, but it's a good decent money. And Ashwin, what will you do?
पंजाबी में बोलूँगी, हमारे में 10 वंद निकालते हैं, वन एक कुछ हिस्सा हम अपनी कुछ भी इनकम का जरूर निकालते हैं पंजाबी लोग में. तो आई विल डोनेट इट टू सिक किड्स फॉर श्योर, जो मैं हर बारी अपनी हर इनकम से करती हूँ, एंड आई विल कीप ऑन कंटिन्यूइंग दैट.
That's wonderful. I was thinking that she will give a down payment also because she is in that profession. What you will say?
If I'll win, I'm definitely gonna take my family out for dinner because family is always first.
और वो जो आप लोगों के किसके फैन थे इधर, उनको कोई नहीं लेके जाने वाला? उनको भी नहीं. वो भाई जब तक तुम भी कुछ सोच रहे हो, तुम भी सोचो यार, तुम क्यों छोड़ते हो?
मैं तीनों जजेस को डिनर पे लेके जाऊंगा.
वाह, इसे कहते हैं मक्खन.
Let's do it.
अच्छा, कह कौन रहा है? एक सिंधी आदमी.
अरे पंजाबी हूँ सर.
अच्छा पंजाबी. वो याद नहीं भाई.
But jokes apart, super performer है तो I would want to justify to the title, so I would definitely make sure एक recording हो जिसमें एक perform कर सकूँ मैं, and that's the money will go to.
Oh, that will be great. Ankit, how far we are from that result?
2 minutes.
Okay, 2 more minutes. So guys, after that 2 more minutes, so you can take rest. I will talk to other people by that time, and we will invite 5 people out of you. They will go in next round. But all of you, please do not go away if you are not in second round, because there are chances that you may be that people choice award. That is also there on the voting basis. Have a seat. We will come back to you very fast. Where's Arshad Mahmood? Where's Arshad Mahmood? Okay, so guys. By that time the result is ready. I'll just give you a background. On the stage, on the left side of the stage, you can see the parade is getting ready, and all you are requested to send your kids there right away. So they will be very happy to be part of that parade. And that is, yes, our stage director is here. So many